Welcome to the unboxing of the Omnidots SWARM Vibration Monitor. In this video, we'll show you the packaging, the device itself, the included accessories, and how to install the SWARM Vibration Monitor. The SWARM Vibration Monitor comes in this box. On the outside, you'll find a sticker with details such as the package contents, model, unique SWARM ID, and other useful information. Let's open the box. The first thing you'll see is the SWARM Vibration Monitor itself. Let's set that aside for now. Inside the box, you'll also find the Quick Start Guide. The Quick Start Guide explains the basics and installation steps for getting your SWARM online quickly. It contains information on how to connect the device for the first time, as well as instructions for how to mount it on a wall. Other things the box contains: the SWARM power cable, a plug and screw, and the power adapter with interchangeable plugs for different socket types. And here we have the SWARM Vibration Monitor. As you can see, it has a solid and compact design while still being lightweight. The SWARM is also IP65 rated. On the back, you can see the 3 studs for stable mounting. The SWARM Vibration is designed for easy installation on walls and other flat surfaces. If a flat mounting surface is not available, you can use our optional baseplate accessory. We'll be mounting the SWARM Vibration Monitor onto a wall. Start by drilling a hole at the desired mounting location. And inserting the supplied wall plug. Next, position the SWARM Vibration Monitor against the wall and secure it using the provided screw. Tighten the screw with a drill until the monitor is firmly mounted and stable. One of the SWARM's key features is that the monitor automatically aligns itself, so manually aligning the axes is not required. Now, we will connect the power cable to the SWARM. First, open the dust cap and connect the cable. Then, attach the clever connector coupling ring and tighten it securely until you hear a slight click. This ensures a watertight and dust-proof connection. Next, let's power the SWARM. Besides the supplied power adapter, it can also be powered using the Omnidots SWARM battery. Since we're operating outdoors, we'll use the battery-powered option. The SWARM will now power up and connect to the honeycomb. For more information about the status indicator light on the SWARM, visit our support center on support.omnidots.com. Thanks for watching. Visit our support website for more tutorials and facts.